Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume for the headphones Creative Sensemore Air. So to change volume you should press and hold for a left one earbud to increase the volume and right one to lower the volume. I will show it to you. So I'm just holding here, and as you can see I will increase the volume, and if I'm doing the same with the left one I will lower the volume. But this is a settings by default. You can go to the application. Oh, I should connect in it. Yeah, choose custom buttons and here you can change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!